Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you or I'm gonna show you three software that you can install in your new laptop. By the way, congratulations into your new purchase. Okay, let's dive in quickly to the process. First is you need to download Google Chrome in your new laptop. So just simply type Google Chrome. Once done, select enter to continue. Okay, once you are being redirected to the results, please choose the first option, the fast and secure web browser. So that's it. Click that. By the way, when you are downloading or when you are installing a Google Chrome, make sure that you are downloading that into Google and do not download that in any browser because it might not be safe or secure. So just click download Chrome to continue or to download the Google Chrome. Okay, once you are done, let's continue to the next process, and that is to install software. And the first software that I'm gonna recommending you is the Malwarebytes. Let's type Malwarebytes. Okay, let's click this to continue and select this first option. The good thing about Malwarebytes is it's free. You won't need to pay anything. You don't need to pay anything. And it automatically scan your computer. It completely junk your bugs. And it helps your computer run smoothly and it protects your computer. So let's click this or let's download this Malwarebytes by hitting this free download. Okay. Once you download the Malwarebytes, I'm gonna recommending you the second one, which is Norton 360. Let's type Norton 360 here. But if you have less than 8 GB of RAM in your laptop, I'm recommending you to download Malwarebytes because it consumes less amount of space in your laptop. But if you go with 16 GB of RAM or 8 GB of RAM in your laptop or i5 or i7 processor, you can go with this Norton 360. Okay, let's click that to continue. Okay, search again. Click this. And then select the option, the first option here. Okay, so you can download this Norton 360. So the third malware that I'm gonna recommend you is the C Cleaner. So let's type C Cleaner here. So C Cleaner makes your computer faster. So let's click that. And this completely optimize and tune up your computer. And the best catch here is it's free also. And I'm recommending you to use this 15 days or every week. So let's download by clicking this free download. Okay. So once you're done, you can now go and enjoy with your new computer. But make sure that you have already installed one of those software once before you go to your social media accounts like Facebook or download any applications. So hope this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.